Hello guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be unboxing some items I got from Miniso. So the plan was to walk into the mall and get a gift, just a particular gift, but then they were doing some 70% off sales on some Marvel and Coca-Cola products. I'm like, why can't we get that? By the way, this video is not sponsored. So yes, the first on my list is this cute little basket. This wasn't on sale actually. I just wanted to get it to, put in some jewelries and all. The second one is this hair bottle, cute little bottles for like, I think they call this hair kit or something. Yes, but I've always wanted to get something like this, ladies have to take care of their hair. So yeah, it came in this box like thing that that made it into a kit. So it has 2 little bottles, 3 spray bottles, then one other normal bottle. I'm not sure about that. Yeah, but you can put in like your hair cream or whatever cream or face cream or whatever. Then the spray bottles, oh god, I love the spray bottles. So yes, and there's this like cute little funnel you can use to put in those things. And this cute little spoon that came with it, I think it's to scoop in whatever cream you want to put or whatever thing you want to put into that bottle. Yes, so I love it. So the next one is this. I didn't want to get this. I don't know. The play was cute one, and I don't know why I got this, but at the end of the day I was like, okay, it's going to be like our plate for lunch. Our work. I mean, you can always use any plate to eat. So yes, I got this because it's cute. And see me here, I was just struggling with this plate to open this plate. At the point, my nails gave up. Screaming, don't do this to me. So yes, finally I opened it. I was expecting some cute plates inside, but nothing. They're just there. Then this cute little pockets cover, pocket notes. I don't know what it is. I actually got 2. I gave my friend 1. But unfortunately, the one I gave to my friend was finer than this one. I thought it was the same thing, but so I think it's just like a passport holder. I think it's best as a passport holder. Then the last thing is this cute little purse. I think that's my favorite. Apart from the kit though. Yes, isn't it cute? Oh, I got this little cute Coca-Cola purse. I honestly don't know why I got this, so I don't know what I'm going to use it for. But okay, wait though. I think I can use this for my debit cards if it will enter. Then another purse. Yo, I don't know why I'm going to use this purse for that I bought, but like, yes, I got it. So yes, this is what I got from Miniso. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment.